important source of light apart from sunlight? What is the sources of light? Yes.
Torch.
Sir, solar
Yeah.
energy.
So what are the sources of light?
Tube light. Torch. Emergency.
Solar energy or sun? Sun. Yes. Yes. Tube light, torch, emergency light, sun. All are sources of light. Is moon a source of light? Is moon a source
Yes,
of
sir.
light?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Tablet or the computer? Yeah. Is the tablet or the computer in front of which you're sitting, is it a source of light?
Yes, sir.
Sir, your
Yes.
voice is
Are,
breaking.
are glowworms sources of light?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So glowworms are, so all of them are sources of light. Now these sources of light are classified into how many categories? You must have already studied that. What are the categories into which we classify the sources of light? We classify them into two categories. What are the two categories? One are luminous sources of light, luminous bodies, and the other, what would be the other? If one is luminous sources or luminous bodies, what are the other types of bodies which give us light? Those are non-luminous bodies. Now, how do we define luminous bodies? Now, objects or bodies which give out or emit light energy by themselves are called luminous bodies. So how do we define luminous bodies or luminous objects? Objects which are, which generate light within themselves. No, they do not depend or they do not take light from some other place and give it to us. They give light directly to us. So those kinds of objects are called luminous objects or luminous body. So is sun a luminous body or not a luminous body? Or does
Luminous body.
it is a luminous body? Why is it a luminous body?
Sir, it has own light.
Because it gives out its own light.
Emits own light, sir.
Yeah, because it emits its own light, it's a luminous body. Now stars, are they luminous bodies or not luminous bodies?
Sir,
Stars.
they
They are luminous bodies. They're also luminous bodies, right? Stars are also luminous bodies. A candle is it a luminous body or not a luminous body?
Yes, sir. It is a luminous body.
So candle is also a luminous body, right? A bulb, is it a luminous body?
Non-luminous body, sir. Yes, sir.
What is it?
Moon is a non-luminous body, sir.
No, I didn't ask you about that, right? We didn't talk about moon and, as of now. So as of now, sun, stars, a lantern, a candle, a bulb. A bulb, is it a luminous body or not a luminous body?
It's a luminous body.
It's a luminous body, right? Why is it a luminous body? Because it gives out its own light, right? So
Yes.
all the bodies which give us their own lights are called luminous bodies. Anything else? Any other example of luminous bodies that you can give?
Sir, torch.
Torch is luminous body. Anything else?
Emergency lamp.
Emergency lamp, CFL, LED, right? All kinds of lamps are luminous bodies. Anything else? Is fire luminous or non-luminous? Fire is luminous or non-luminous?
Luminous, sir.
Luminous. Fire also gives us its own light. So it's also luminous, right?
Yes.
Then the next kind of bodies that we have are non-luminous bodies. So what are non-luminous bodies?
The moon and the object
Moon is non-luminous, that's fine. But what are non-luminous bodies?
like
The bodies,
bodies which don't have their own light. They take light from the sun.
the bodies which do not emit light energy of their own. The bodies which do not have their own light are called non-luminous bodies, right? Now, then if they don't emit their own light, from where do they get light? They reflect light from some other object.
Sir, your voice.
Light, luminous. Yeah, I'm trying to make adjustments. Fine. Yeah. So what I'm saying is,
What is mirror?
I'm sorry. I'll get back to you. That's a question that I have to ask you. Okay. Yeah. Anyhow, so let me talk about non-luminous bodies. Now, luminous bodies are what? Bodies which do not have their own light energy, but they reflect light energy falling on them, and hence are visible. These are called non-luminous bodies. So what are non-luminous bodies? Bodies which do not have their own light energy. Now examples you have seen. A moon is a non-luminous body. Like you can see a tree is a non-luminous body. The books that you're reading are non-luminous body. So is the, I'm sorry? Stars are luminous or non-luminous?
Sir, they should be non-luminous, sir.
What? Stars or moon?
Stars, sir, because they reflect the sun's light.
No, no. Sun is also a star.
No. Stars are luminous.
Stars are luminous. They have their own light energy, right? So that's why they are luminous. They're not non-luminous, right? Moon is non-luminous because light from the sun falls on the moon, and then what happens? That is reflected to us. I hope stars are luminous objects. Now let's see. Now this is something. What is happening here? You can see there is a screen and the people are watching the movie. Now the screen of the movie in the movie theater, is it luminous or non-luminous?
It's luminous.
Non-luminous.
Is it luminous or non-luminous? Once
The
again,
non-luminous.
okay, let's
Sir, non-luminous.
So let's-
Non-luminous.
it's a non-luminous object. Let's see. Let's take a small poll on that and see what people say. Is it luminous or non-luminous? So how many of you say luminous is yes and non-luminous is no? Luminous is yes and non-luminous is no. So luminous is yes, non-luminous is no. Anjali, what is your response? Anjali, what is your response? Okay. Gina, oh fine. We have two of you saying it is luminous.
Sir, I didn't get it.
Sir, it's non-luminous.
Okay, so it is non-luminous.
Sir, if the movie plays, then it is luminous, sir.
Sir, it is non-luminous.
So
Sir,
if the
it's
movie plays,
non-luminous because it's the projector will come on the screen and fall. So that is why it's non-luminous.
okay, let's first talk about the people who say it is luminous. Then we'll ask the people why it is non-luminous, right? Chirantan, can you tell me why is it luminous? Why do you think is it luminous? Chirantan, why do you think it is luminous? Okay, Jina, can you tell me why do you think it is luminous?
Sir, it is luminous because when the movie plays, the brightness of the movies fall on the people, on the whole room, sir. And when it does not play, it is non-luminous.
Okay, when it does not play, it is non-luminous, and when it plays, it is luminous. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So, Pragya, what is your answer? Samriddhi and Pragya. Samriddhi, what is your answer? Samriddhi, what is your answer? Okay, Pragya says non-luminous. Samriddhi, Chirantan, you said it is
Non-luminous.
luminous. Yeah, Samriddhi, it's also non-luminous. Now, Samriddhi, can you explain me why is it non-luminous?
What's the sir?
Why-
voice cracking?
Samriddhi, why do you think it is non-luminous? Why do you think it is non-luminous? Chirantan, you said luminous. Can you tell me why do you
Sir,
think it is luminous?
non-luminous because there is some machinery which shows the movie on the screen. So
Okay.
like the light is coming from that.
So light is not coming from the screen. It is coming from. Chirantan, I think I can make out your gestures. Fine, no problem. So Neela, yes. Why do you think it is non-luminous?
Sir, because in backside the machine projector will be there or a
Yes.
film catcher will be there. That
Okay.
product in movie it won't shows its own light.
Okay. So see, let me give you a clear example. Like yes, Neha, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Because
Yes.
someone told that it is luminous. It is not luminous because if it is from a projector, no. Then if the moon is like sparkling, it is due to the light of the stars, no.
Yes.
Then it is at present it is lightning. Then we cannot tell it as luminous, no. Still.
Okay, I agree. I agree with you, Neha. See, all of you. So Yashika, you want to say something? Yashika, you want to say something? Is it luminous or non-luminous?
Non-luminous
Non-luminous. Why is it non-luminous?
because it doesn't have any light of its own.
Oh, it doesn't have light of its own. You just told me the definition. Okay, thank you very much. So now let's look at a situation where I stop the projector. Projector is the instrument which projects the movie on the screen. If you look at, if you're watching a movie and look behind, you'll see that light comes from a small room. That instrument which projects light is called projector. Now, if you stop that projector, can you see the movie on the screen?
No, sir.
No, we are not
No.
able to see if it is.
So yes, so the light that is falling on the screen, is it from the projector or from the screen?
It's from the projector.
From the
It is from the
projector.
projector. So is it a luminous or non-luminous object? The screen is luminous or non-luminous?
Non-luminous.
It is perfectly non-luminous. I hope that's clear. The screen in a movie theater is non-luminous, but what about your laptop screen or the tablet screen? Is it luminous or non-luminous?
Luminous.
It is luminous. Your
it is
television
luminous,
screen,
sir.
it is luminous because the light comes from that. So I hope that's clear. So you have understood perfectly what is luminous and what is non-luminous.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
sir.
let's go for one more thing. Oh, what do we have here? We have the evening star. What is the evening star?
Venus.
Venus, right? Now
Venus.
Venus, is it luminous or non-luminous? Is Venus luminous or non-luminous?
The non-luminous.
Sir, it is non-luminous.
It's non-luminous because it gets light from the sun.
Okay, it's non-luminous because it gets light from the sun. Is it a star?
No, sir.
Oh, it's a planet.
So Venus,
It's a planet.
there is a small ambiguity in its name. We call it star because it appears to be star in the sky. Actually, what is it? It's a planet, right? So, and planets are non-luminous objects. So Venus is non-luminous. I hope it is clear to all of you. Venus
Yes,
is what?
sir.
Venus
Yes,
is
sir.
non-luminous, right? So now let's see what do we have. Yeah, all the planets are non-luminous. Now we have some fireflies, glowworms. Now glowworms, are they luminous or non-luminous?
Luminous.
Luminous.
They are
Because-
luminous.
They are luminous, sir.
Yeah, so they are
Because they
luminous.
produce their own light.
They produce their own light. So you all know all these things, right? So you have an idea about what is luminous, what is non-luminous objects, right? So now important thing that we have seen today is what is light. Now what is light? Light is an invisible form of energy. Got it? So one important thing that you have to remember is what? Light is definitely a form of energy, but what form of energy is it? It is invisible form of energy. So light is not visible. What is visible? The objects on which the light falls. Got it? So light is not visible, but the objects on which light falls is visible. And then what we have seen what are luminous objects and what are
Non-luminous.
non-luminous objects, right?